Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS and this is by Hot Wheels from their main line, and I bought it for 179, which is the MRP. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I actually bought this because this livery looked something different. So I just wanted to see how this one actually looks in hand. Okay, this was only one in the box, if you guys are wondering. There was no two of it. Okay, so here is the casting. So out of the box the casting looks really beautiful, and the interior detailing looks really nice, and I don't have it does have minor scratches but not much as other castings had. So the interior looks really nice and the livery looks really good. So the good thing is they have this acrylic headlights for this casting, which is really nice. You here you can see the Porsche logo. It is not even clear, but it is there, and it does have some grill detailing here, which is really nice. So it doesn't have any tail light detailing, not even the Porsche logo. Okay, so you can see the Porsche lettering, on the spoiler here. It does have rear view mirrors here. So the body is fully metal, including the spoiler, and the chassis is fully plastic. It does have a little bit of detailing on the chassis, including the exhaust here, which is really nice. So the rims are pretty basic. I really wish they could have went with that, that one more thing which has some holes kind of thing. I don't know what they call it. So I really wish they could have added that livery here. That rims here, that would have looked really cool. Okay, let's weigh this casting. It does feel a bit heavy, maybe 30 grams. Okay, 35 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Oh my god, that didn't even roll well. Okay, third time's the charm. Maybe not. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. So yeah, so let's rate this casting. So since it's a main line, I'm leaving that one side detailing. So it has all the detailing to it. It looks really nice. So I would give 10 out of 10. So it doesn't roll really well, maybe because of the body. It has this wide rear here. Maybe it is just you know getting into the track, I guess. So maybe yours might roll well. I don't see any friction there, but still it is not really rolling well. Maybe yours might roll well. That's the reason I'm not reducing any point. So 10 out of 10 for this one. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.